A farmer, Li Laohan, went to the market in the town on the spring harvest festival to buy 2 cows. One of the water cows has a strong skeleton, and it looks like it has a lot of strength. The other one is a little weak and has a lazy personality. Li Laohan was calculating in his heart. The 2 cows can plant their own 3 acres of farmland in turn. It can also help the forestry farm to earn some money. The days will be a little wider. A few days later, Jhang Dahu from the neighboring village came to the door. He asked him to leave 5 acres of farmland and made a lot of money. The sky was bright. Li Laohan pulled the 2 cows into the ground. He put the head of the cow on the head of the cow first. He waved his whip and shouted, "Let's go." But the cow shrugged its neck and shrugged back. He put the whip on his back and only moved half a step. After a long time of tossing and turning, the cow still had no face to show. Li Laohan was so anxious that he chopped his feet. He had no choice but to change to the water cow. As soon as he put the head of the cow on his head, the water cow took the initiative to raise its body. The 4 horses stepped steadily on the farmland. The sound of the cutting of the land was crisp and clear. Li Laohan relaxed. But the cow with its feet on one side thought of the delay. He raised his hand and gave it to the water cow. "Hurry up! Don't dawdle!" The water cow took a step and turned around. "Master, I'm not lazy. I try my best to pull the whip. Why do you hit me?" Li Laohan was impatient and hurried. The cow wouldn't move. "The 5 acres of farmland were all up to you. If I didn't hit you, you'd run faster." "Master, it's getting dark." It was a whip again. The water cow with its head on one side struggled. As the sun rose, the water cow became more and more vigorous. Li Laohan's whip became more and more dense. The water cow looked not far away. The cow sat under the tree and ate the grass. He felt wronged. The more he cut himself, the more times he was beaten. The cow didn't do anything. On the contrary, he was idle. The sun in the afternoon was much hotter. The pain of the whip came again and again. The grievance slowly became disappointment. When Li Laohan whipped again, the water cow ran away from home. The whip hit its foot. It ran towards the distant mountains. Li Laohan stood still. He looked at the empty house and the cow who got up slowly. He sat on the farmland for a moment. Not only did he not finish his work, he also lost the most diligent water cow. Later, the villagers said, Li Laohan whipped the water cow. He was so muddle-headed. He didn't distinguish good from bad. He was harsh to the diligent one and indulged the slack one. In the end, he only forced the water cow away and lost the whole game. The meaning of whipping the water cow is that the faster the cow walks, the faster the whip hits it and makes it walk faster. The metaphor is inexplicable.